Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add your own crosshair to Crosshair X. All right. So first up, as you can see here, let's go ahead and open up Crosshair X. Now in the left panel, you should be able to see the designer section under customization. Okay. So just click on it. Now what you do, as you can see here, we have the lines, center dot, outline, and the layers, and also animation. Okay. You would want to go ahead and edit this first layer, and if you want to add in some more layers, just click on new right here and it will be added. Okay. Or if you just want a one layered crosshair, well, add the lines right here if you want to make it visible. Or if you just want a center dot, click on center dot right here. Change the shape if you want to. It can be a square, diamond, colored circle, or not. Okay. Change the opacity and diameter right here, like so. And you can go ahead and actually unhide it right here at the top right. And this is the actual crosshair looks. Okay. Add in some blur if you want to as well. Okay. Add in some outlines. Change the color of the outline. It could be use the color wheel like so. And then once done, add in some thickness, blur if you want to as well. And then the layers right here. Okay. If you want to, you can go ahead and add in your own image. Okay. Drag and drop. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and use this one. There you go. You can actually use a photo as your crosshair. Okay. You can go ahead and adjust the opacity if you want to, and the scale as well. Okay. And that is it. Now, once you're happy with that, you can now go ahead and click on save right here at the top. Now go ahead and give it a name. All right. Now, once done, click on save. And then after that, if you want to find it, you can go ahead over to crosshairs right here, click on saved, and launch one of your created crosshair. All right. And there you have it. And if you want to delete one, just click on 3 horizontal lines, hit on delete. Okay. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.